In this video, I'll show you step by step how you can use Google Gemini to generate image just in few seconds. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get started. So if you want to use Google Gemini to generate image, it's super easy. You just need to create an account with Google Gemini like this one, okay, as you guys can see. And once you create your account, this will be your home page. So you just need to click on this icon over here and click on create image. Okay, just click on create image like this, and here you go. You will be in this page as you guys can see, and here you just need to describe your image. Let's ask Google Gemini to create animal pictures as an example. Animal cool pictures, okay, like this. You just need to put here your description of the image that you want to generate and just click over here on submit, and here you go. Google Gemini will start creating your image, guys, okay? And here you go, guys. You will get a result like this. That's, guys, exactly how you can use Google Gemini to generate image. It's super easy and simple. So once you get your picture, you can click here on download, and this picture will be downloaded into your laptop, okay? That's exactly how you can use Google Gemini to generate image. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one.